Let me tell you a quick story. So, Elon Musk or Oprah Winfrey, right? Who knows them? What do they have in common? Their personal brand. It's absolutely huge how big they are as individuals. It's not just because they're famous. If you take someone like Elon Musk, right? 100 million followers on Twitter. Absolutely huge. Tesla has like 16 million, right? Tesla's success is built off the back of how strong Elon Musk's personal brand is. Now, why I'm telling you this is that I'm giving a workshop on personal branding. My name is Stanley and I run a company called The Attention Seeker, and we're a personal branding agency, right? We specialize in helping people take their reputation that they have in the marketplace and scaling it online on digital platforms. And so in this conference and in this workshop, we're going to teach you the tools and tricks on how to scale this stuff today. Like, what do you need to do to hook people in and get them to hear your message? And some of that starts with a banana. So this is your trick. Remember the banana. You show people a banana, you get their attention, and you deliver the message. And that's one tool and one trick you might learn if you come along to our workshop. Stanley, Attention Seeker, come give us a holler, come check it out. It'll be a whole heap of fun.